At Sinclair Agricultural Recycling Services, we're handling a lot of liquid waste. We've been using umbilical systems for the last number of years, and since we started working with digestate and working lower volumes, the tanker system has started to become used more. So we looked at tractor tankers. They were too slow. We started then looking at the self-propelled tankers with the loading arms, which has sped up our operation. We're hauling everything to the fields with trucks, so we have to be very flexible to get from field to field and to make best use of all the vehicles hauling to the tanker system. Main reasons for going with the KAWECO system was the dealer, the backup. Dealer is right next door, within 7 miles, and that was one of the key factors of using the KAWECO compared to other machines. As a contractor, we have to have that backup. It's absolutely imperative. The boom that we've got on is a tram-spread boom. Again, we looked at other booms when looking at the machines, and we decided to go with that because of its speed of folding and the flexibility it gave us doing different tram link combinations.